Some of the more common things that we see are like, the flu, illnesses, but diabetes is a big part of our job. It's a growing problem in America, and so we have care managers and other folks that help us work as a team here at Campus Town, which is fantastic. But then in addition to that, we also have a lot of mental health patients that we see, anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts. And we're getting a behavioral health specialist, which is great. I'd say that's a lot of what we do around here is diabetes, prevention, behavioral health medicine. I like to tell patients that I'm fairly direct, and so if they have something that I feel I should tell them, I will tell them, even if it's difficult or difficult for me or difficult for the patient. It's important that if there's discussions to be had, that we have those. So I do tend to be pretty direct, but I think one of my assets as a provider is that I can explain something I can usually explain complex medical problems with an analogy or with a description that they can understand. And that's where I probably get the most joy out of my job, is if I can help somebody understand what's wrong with them, even to the point where they could go home and maybe tell their significant other that they have this condition and here's what they're doing about it. For me, that's a real success. If I can help them understand what's happening in regular language, that's a good day for me. One of the areas that I do tend to focus on is LGBT healthcare. I'm a member of the LGBT community, and so we see a lot of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender patients. So for some patients, I prescribe what's called PrEP, which is a way to prevent HIV transmission. For transgender patients, we prescribe hormones and can do referrals for endocrinology or surgeries and things like that. And Spectrum Health has been very supportive of our efforts here, and from very high up folks, and so that's been great to feel supported in the community. But additionally, they help support with we helped make our paperwork more inclusive. We're working with different departments of the hospital to help them be more inclusive. And so in addition to sort of focusing on the LGBT community, we're also working on how can we help Spectrum Health sort of be the destination for LGBT healthcare for West Michigan. My name is Dr. Duhn. I'm a family medicine physician with Spectrum Health Medical Group.